I made the cutest little tea candle holders for Halloween this year. I just started off with some air dry clay, and I kind of just rolled it into a ball. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't really want it to be. I kind of want it to look very organic, and I'm just pushing my finger in there to hollow out the center. I want to make sure that the walls are still kind of thick, and also the base, so that it's not like too thin anywhere, so it doesn't like cave when I'm cutting into it. So then I'm just like pressing the base into the bottom of the tray little plate thing that I'm using, so that I know that it's even and can stand upright on its own. And then I'm going to just take this little tool I got and cut some cute little faces in my sides of my tea candle holders. And at first I kind of wanted it to be like pumpkin themed, but then I was like, that's kind of boring. I don't really want 3 pumpkins, so I kind of just made them spooky faces. I don't know. Oh, anyway, this first one I painted, on the first coat, I used a bunch of baking soda and it caked up. And I mean, I liked it, but it was like kind of crumbly on the outside, so I wouldn't suggest doing that. When it finally dried, I went ahead and went over it with a more like loose mixture of baking soda and paint. When you put the baking soda in the paint, it kind of gives it this nice gives the paint a nice ceramic look, so that when it dries, it kind of is like faux ceramic, and that's what I was going for. Is something that looks nice, and then it fits my neutral color palette, so I'm really liking that. I'm feeling it, and this is what it looks like in the dark. So cute. I love it. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Anyway, yeah, I think it looks great. You guys should definitely try it. It's super, super easy, and it looks so cute for Halloween. Yeah, simple.